All right, friends, what is going on? We have another print that we get to crack open here today. Now, if this is your first video, let me get you up to speed in terms of what you're going to be watching here. So as I crack this thing open right here, I'm going to share with you literally everything there is about this print here coming from Pictorem. So, the whole premise behind these videos that we start with, this is our 6th season we've been doing these print reviews, and our cadence hasn't stopped or hasn't changed. And by the way, if you are a regular for this video, you're gonna want to bump this video ahead here, because this, what I'm sharing right now, is for the person that has never seen one of these videos here before, getting them up to speed as far as what to expect. So anyway, newbies here. We do these videos to help you get out there and purchase prints with a better understanding as far as what your dollar is going to get you. So therefore, if you buy a print from Pictorem here, you have a very good idea as far as what your dollar is going to get you, because in this, I got sidetracked a minute ago. I'm going to break down what I think of how it's packaged, the print, the colors, the frame, the backing, literally leaving no stone left undone. And dude, these guys built one heck of a frame around this print here. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna dive into it right now, but that's what you're gonna get watching this video. That's what you're to expect. But here's something that these guys do that I find actually pretty unique. They have this heavy duty, it's almost like an 1/8-inch thick cardboard, heavily pressed. I want to say it's even cardboard, because it's actually it's pretty solid. So it's not wood, but it's heavily pressed cardboard on the corners. Why is that important? Well, when this print is leaving Canada, where this is from, it's being drop kicked from FedEx, DHL, UPS, or wherever the heck who is shipping that. So the better that this is protected, packaged up, is going to ensure that this print is going to get to you, or if you're drop shipping to a client, safely. Okay, everything is going all over the place here. Okay. Got my scissors. Alrighty, so all of the corners are all... Dang, these guys really do wrap this thing up. You know what's funny is I've reviewed so many prints over the years, and we have reviewed one from Pictorem, or I think a few already over the years. But I review so many of these here, and everybody tends to send these off a little differently. So it's hard to remember how these things are put together. All right, so I'm just going to go the easy route, and I'm going to see if I can crack open the end here to get to our... Oh, I remember this. Okay, yep. Oh, wait, is this... Jesus, how do they have... Let's do this here. Here we go. Awesome. All right. The box, it's a medium-duty box, but as you saw a moment ago, with those corners, this thing is Fort Knox. All right. So here's something pretty interesting that these guys are doing here. You see this outer perimeter of the print. You have this, let's actually crack this out of here so we can see what this is. What's funny is we have, I think I mentioned this a couple weeks ago with one of the other reviews that we were doing. We have been ordering a lot of new prints because a lot of you guys are asking us at the end of every one of these videos, I say the same thing. Let us know which print, which company you want us to review and so forth, and we'll order a print and all that other fun stuff. We probably have, there's probably 9 or 11 prints that are back there, with more coming in. So I have no idea. I forget what my team orders, and come to think of it, I'm not even sure. This almost feels like a canvas print. We'll find out here in a minute. Okay, so this is really this is really interesting what these guys are doing here, because you have, again, we're talking about safety, because let's talk about if this print was going to a client of yours, how this is packaged, even though you had nothing to do with it, is going to be representation of you as a professional, because your clients look for you that you are vetting who you are working with. Okay, dang, this thing goes in there good. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. So we have a cardboard backing on the end. And we have that cardboard going all the way around, which is still stuck on here. Okay, here we go. So that is going to be, that's going to take side impact. So if the original, I mean, this is pretty heavy duty as it is. And then they have this right here as well. Nothing's getting to this print here. I'd be willing to bet you could probably drive over this darn thing from the side there, or at least kick it pretty good, and it's not going to touch or damage the print. Oh, I remember this. I'll give these guys credit. They really wrap this thing up pretty well, which of course is A-okay with me. All right, so around the print here, you'll see you have a layer of these little bubble pops here. Oh, I remember this. There are 3 images that we put in rotation that we basically sent out to all the print companies. And this is one of the 3. So this is a canvas print, okay? And this is, wow. That looks absolutely stunning. Let's get this thing up out of there. Let's do this here. You can still hear me. You can see that. That looks really, that looks beautiful. And what I'm looking for right now, of course, and one of the reasons that we went with this image to begin with here is all this detail in these trees right here. And that's what I'm looking at right now, looking at these larger areas, because if a print head is not aligned properly or cleaned, you can get some artifacts in the print itself. So that is what I'm trying to see, if there are any wonkiness going on right here. The colors, I can tell, look really fantastic. The sharpness is spot on. For a canvas print, you want it to be nice and tight like that. Jeez, that frame looks absolutely stunning. I really like these floating frames here. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. I think we went really well with this wooden finish on here, because it really brings, it just works really well with a print like this. All right, let's take a look at the back of this here. All right, there is heavy duty mounting hardware here. And this is actually pretty slick right here. I just noticed this. You have these little felt nubs on the corners. This is really fantastic. So if you're, Jesus, I'm stepping in all the stuff there. Okay, so when you're putting it up against the wall, it is at least keeping the print off the wall a bit there. All right, and so I cannot see. Curious to see what the staple frequency is underneath this. That is really in there. Okay. All right, so I can, oh yeah, there's like quite a handful of staples going in there, but I can see the staples in the back of the print there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there's 21 staples go along the top, so a decent staple frequency there. Now what I'm looking at is the corners, which I doubt you're going to be able to see on camera. I'm looking right into how these things are butting up. And you may say, well, Alex, why does that matter? Well, I get it. It's hidden. Once it's up against the wall, you don't see it. And from the front standpoint, this looks absolutely beautiful, so who cares? Well, no, I do, because as I shared with you in the opening of this video, I'm going to leave no stone left unturned. So therefore, again, if you go out there and buy a print from these guys, you have a good idea, front, back, sideways, everything to do with this, what your dollar is going to get you. I can tell you right now, it looks really, really, all the corners are really pulled together really nice. The only thing I can see off the get-go, which is not, I mean, it looks absolutely beautiful back here as it is. And again, at this point, I'm trying to nitpick here, trying to find something that I can gripe about. And the only thing I guess I'm going to say, and it's extremely minor because you can see, this is, if you've seen some of my reviews that I've done before, this is absolute artwork here compared to some companies where it looks like all jagged, like your hair looks when you wake up in the morning, the edge that goes around from where they cut it. This is intentionally cut nice and square. The only thing I wouldn't mind seeing here, because there's still a little flap here, I wouldn't mind seeing either this staple down on the inside or this cut at the edge of the frame here. Again, that is extremely minor, but these guys did an extraordinary job with this canvas print. Let's take a look at the scorecard for Pictorem canvas print review. All right, friends, there you go. Pretty amazing print from Pictorem here. They did a great job on this canvas print. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put links down below. Actually, you've probably seen it on the screen already to Pictorem. I would highly encourage you to test them out. And one of the things I echo over and over again on this channel is this. If you're new to printing, there is tremendous, it's an amazing experience when you get a great, there's a big difference between a poor print and a great print. When you get a great print, it is absolutely breathtaking, amazing experience. Even for me, I have had hundreds of prints come across in front of with you folks here, and it never gets old when you see an exquisite print like this. It's powerful, it's meaningful, and the irony to this isn't even my photo. This was a stock image, one of 3, as I shared with you earlier, that we sent when we were ordering all these prints from all these different companies. But this is really, really beautiful. But I would encourage you, if you've not tried printing your work before, get out there. You don't need to get a big print, get a small print. It doesn't matter. Just get into the cadence of getting your prints. You know, if you have prize photos sitting in your computer that nobody ever sees, dang it, grab one of them, go out there, try a canvas printout like this, test these guys out and put it up against the wall, and you will see what I'm talking about. You will see for yourself why so many people out there print their work. And look, do it on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, a yearly basis, but just get out there, start printing your work. And again, I'll put links down below to Pictorem. And if you have any questions whatsoever about this review, other reviews that we've done, or as I've stated in the beginning of this video, if there's a company that you would like for us to test out, a print that you have questions about, let me know in the comments down below, or reach out to me at photographytalk.com. But friends, Pictorem did an amazing job on this, and that's all I got. If you find these videos helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button down below. look, we put these videos together to help you get more out of your value, to make smarter buying decisions when it comes to print. So these things are put together for you. And one of the biggest things that you can do for this channel is, and it's effortless, it'll take you less than 5 seconds. Hit that like button down below, because that tells the YouTube algorithm that this video you found helpful, and YouTube's going to share it with more people. And in turn, more people are going to start following the channel and all that other good stuff. And it helps us grow. And that is the reward to help us keep doing what we are doing here. So thank you in advance. But friends, that is all I have. Thank you very much for swinging by here today. Again, I will see you in the next video.